Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your ecotourism operator business. If you are an ecotourism operator, then manually sending all the tour packages and itineraries can be very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create WhatsApp chatbot which will send all the itineraries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for ecotourism operator business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Greenscape Eco Tours. Experience nature with our sustainable travel packages," and it has provided us 3 packages, so I'm going to select the first one that says tour packages. And it responds me with all the packages such as Forest Retreat, Mountain Track and Coastal Explorer. Next, I'm going to select itinerary details, and it responds with sample itinerary, day 1 arrival plus base camp stay, day 2 guided hike plus bonfire, day 3 waterfall visit plus local culture, day 4 sunrise trek plus departure. Lastly, I'm going to respond with book a trip, and it responds me with package name. So I'm going to respond with Mountain Track. And then it is asking for preferred dates, so I'm going to respond with my preferred dates like this. We have received details as Mountain Track. These given dates our agent will confirm soon. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for ecotourism operator business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for your ecotourism operator business. On the screen, there's a Flow Start feature. Here we can add some general keyword to activate the chatbot, and here, with the help of regex, we can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use this format. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex, and here you can choose any template to send to the user. Here I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. So here I've added this message. It will appear like this to the user. Here I've added little star signs which will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp. Next, with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one, so let's begin with tool packages. And for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the available tool packages. Like this. Our text will appear like this to the user. Next, I'm going to curate a response for itinerary details, and for this again we are going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the itinerary details. Like this. It will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for book a trip, and for this I'm going to access action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And here I'm going to take all the details. Here I'm asking for package name, and then in the contact custom field I'm going to select name, and as format I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to curate another question box, and here I'm going to ask for dates like this. Connected to the corresponding quick reply option, and as contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message, and here I'm going to add this. Our text will appear like this to the user, and here we have added $name and date because these were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. So this is how we have curated our WhatsApp chatbot for ecotourism operator business. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure, and once you have created the chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.